After you finish creating your awesome game, you need an awesome thumbnail to go with it. A great thumbnail will sometimes decide or be the decision factor whether or not someone's going to play your game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your thumbnail and make it awesome. Hey guys, just real quick, wanted to let you know that this month is super busy for me, month here of June. And so I'm involved in a whole lot of different things. So videos are going to be a little bit delayed. You may only see one per week for this month. But as soon as we are in July, towards the second week in July, we're going to be back at the usual pace. But yeah, just want to let you guys know that. Back to the tutorial. To create your thumbnail, I recommend one of these two sites. These are completely free, but you will need to sign in with like a Gmail or some sort of an account, which you can also set up for free. First one is canva.com and the other one is PicMaker. I use both of these. I use PicMaker a little bit more than Canva, but that's not what this tutorial is about. So I'm gonna hop into PicMaker. I'm just gonna go ahead and click login, and I'll use my Gmail account to log in, and boom, I am in. You can see it saved some of my recent project that I've made here, some recent slides and stuff. So with this, you can easily say, oh, you want to make a YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, logo, Instagram, and a lot of different things. What we're going to need to make is a custom size to fit the Modstorm thumbnails. So these thumbnails, believe it or not, the best size that you want to use is 800 pixel by 600 pixel. All right. Again, that's 800 pixel by 600 pixel. So let's go ahead and set up our canvas here in PicMaker. So these are all templates that we have here that we can pick from, but we're gonna need our custom size. We're gonna click up here, create design. And again, it's gonna show us these templates, but if we just scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can say custom size. We're gonna click on that, and then you can see here it says PX, which is pixel, if we wanted it in inches, centimeters, or millimeters. We're going to leave it as pixels, and then we're going to choose 800 for the width and 600 for the height, and click design. Once we're inside of the PicMaker, we have our canvas here. You can see the ruler at the top. It goes all the way to 800, and then coming down this way, it stops here at the 600. So we are ready to go. Not to mention, there's some templates here that you can easily click on, and it kind of like puts it right into your project that you can use, and then you don't have to start from complete scratch. So you have those options as well. You can easily click on any ones you want, just like that, and you're good to go. I think I might just use this as my starting point. So the guy here, I don't want this guy. I can click replace, and then go into my photos or go into my uploads where I've uploaded some other stuff, and click on what I want and replace it just like that. Then I'm there. I'll take this name and remove it. This down here, remove it. I think I will actually just keep this. And then this, I will click on it and edit it. Test. And then down here, I will write game. And then this, I will delete that. Oops, not the group. Just want to delete this text here. So I'll say delete element, not group. There you go. Now over here, I think I'll just put my name. I think I'll just do that. There we go. And then the text below, I will also delete. There. This is my game thumbnail for now. Looks all right, not the best, right? Spend some time and make it awesome as you want. Now, if you upgrade, of course, you can get more features, but this is not a promo video for these guys. The free features is perfect for me. And if you don't like it, definitely check out Canva. Also, Basically the same thing. It has its own free features, and then it will try to get you to upgrade for some other features. But you can get away with the free stuff. I'm telling you, you can make amazing things with these. All of my thumbnails I've either made them in Photoshop or in here. After you're done though, just hit download up here, and then you're just gonna hit download one more time. You can also publish to social media if needed. And then here's where you select how you want to download the name. Right here, just say test game thumbnail, and then say thumbnail, sorry. And then here is where you decide if it's going to be PNG or PDF. It looks like the PNG might require subscription. It wasn't like that before. It was free. And then of course just JPEG, I guess. Size, again, confirm. It's 800 by 600. Perfect. Everything else looks good. I'm just going to click download. And it's downloaded. It's gone to my downloads folder. If I hop over to that downloads folder, let's go downloads folder. You can see it right here, downloaded. We can delete this. Right here it is, downloaded. Okay. You can see this. I'm making a birthday card for my daughter. This birthday's coming up. So I have it in my downloads folder. Now let's head back into Modstorm so I can show you how you then put it into being your thumbnail. So here we are back in Modstorm. After we've designed our thumbnail and we like the way it looks, Mr. Leeton, how do we go about putting it here in our game and making it show up on that publish page? How does that work? It's actually pretty simple, and all you have to do is go over here into the select environment. So notice that because I have something selected, it shows me that information. But if I simply click on select environment again, now I have that selected, and so I see these information. If you recall, this is where you can see your game name, the UUID, and some also really cool settings. By the way, there's a lot of cool stuff down here that we're going to be talking about in future videos. So you can create like some really cool effects for the game, just like in Tech Run here. You see that it has that like old-fashioned film effect to it, and so that's what this is actually doing. Anyways, down at the bottom here we have command, and right here title screen upload. This is where you're going to put it. I do want to show you something though. Once you click it, it opens up your Explorer, and this is where you're going to select that thumbnail. I'm going to select mine right here, which is the 800 by 600 pixel. I'm going to click OK, and it did that little thing. You saw that it did that little thing. Now, unlike this right here where you actually see the image in the box, notice that this still remains blank. That means nothing. It means it doesn't mean anything. It worked, okay? So you saw that little thing happen. As long as your image was 800 by 600, which I repeat so many times, you're good to go. At this point, I'm simply just going to go back and save. I'm going to go back and just kind of like republish one more time. And we're going to head over to the game main menus and see what our thumbnail look like. Now that we're done, let's hit home and go check out what it looks like. And there, and here it is, guys, looking pretty amazing. And that will conclude this video. That is how you create your thumbnail. I've shown you 2 sites you can use to create them if you're not really good with like Photoshop or things like that. But if you are, be as creative as you can be. Just remember 800 by 600 will get you that perfect thumbnail size, and then make it look good. All right, thank you so much for watching, modders, and I'll catch you in the next one.